Fencing nowadays, it's a deterrent to make it very hard for people to get in. Hopefully this stops. So what we're happening is the kids are getting in through the night, but yeah, they're trying to burn down like the wooden huts and get on the roof and stuff like that. So hopefully this is prevents them, makes it a bit harder for them to come in and get in and out.
Good morning, YouTube. Monday morning. It's not exactly inspiring, it's absolutely peeing it down. Can see on camera the lads are just pulling out of the yard now, but straight away as usual, start off good week. Justin comes straight in. Oh, bad news, think clutch is going on my older 4x4 D-Max. It's like, I've already got a truck in garage getting mended, new engine rebuild, God knows how much that is, and now clutch has gone on that one. It's like, it's just never ending, man. Like, you just think, what is the point sometimes? It's like, you know, they're not bothered, just hammer them, drive them like idiots, don't even bother cleaning them half the time. Don't matter to them, does it? They're not paying. I know things happen and clutches go and stuff like that, but it just, you know, it's like, it's just never ending. So, God knows. So I'm going to have to try and get that in somehow. Wave my magic wand, get that fixed. Oh, that's how you want to start your week, isn't it? And to top it all off, I'm in hospital tomorrow getting my gallbladder removed, so looking forward to that one. Fantastic. Anyway, we march on. Like I say, lads have just gone back to Cavendish now. Carl's gone with him because all the posts are on his trailer. The other stuff's down at the office to pick up for that job. I've given them the drill bits and bolts and stuff they need. So yeah, I'm going to try and get that in today. Might try more of a local one actually, being recommended. So I'll see how we get on with that one.
Good afternoon. So I've just come in to check on lads, been a busy day. So getting all this fencing up. We've still got the gates to put in at this side, some fencing at that side. As you can see, all coming up, all going up nicely. So this is 1.2 crank post twin mesh with a clamp bar system. Lads are just down there working away. All looking nice, smart. There we are. Not looking bad at all. Drop down under panels. Want nobody, baby. So if we're lucky, mate, putting a graft tomorrow, we might actually get this done, but I reckon it'll need a couple of hours. Monday. Yeah, all the way down there now. Then they're going all the way down there. So yeah, it's probably, I'd say we're still going to be a Saturday, but we'll get it done.
Flipping neck, it's absolutely peeing it down. Look at the state of it. So yeah, clutch has gone in that. And then I've got this one. So I was just getting registration now. There's a little van which is, it's half mine and Matt's, but I might have to get that on as fleet insurance for now, because I think Matt insures that. He's got Carl on it, because Carl sometimes drives it, but I might as well just get it on fleet insurance, I think, and then anyone can jump in it as we need it. It's, to be honest, it's sat there most of the time. Matt got it when we had his other engineer, but he left a while ago. Lloyd, as you know, we've got an ad in looking for an engineer, if anybody knows anyone. Fire and security engineer, desperate and need one. What's a 40k a year? I mean, you know, easy job. So, get applying. Got to be at Leeds, Bradford area, preferably. So yeah, I shall leave it at that. I'll try and get this insurance sorted out now.
Quick explanation of this. So we're going to have fencing going down. It's actually going to go to an angle at the bottom of the hill. Separate video for the bottom. Just worry about this. Straight down, 10 metres each side. I'm going to come up to about this point here. There I am. And you see that post? We're going to angle to that post. There's going to be a double gate here. And then we're going to go across there to that wall. End there on the wall. And then there's going to be a fence coming off. I'll show you, let's go over there. There's going to be a fence coming up here, like I just said, across all the way here, nice straight line so they can get into all this vegetation, and then you're going to want it to go straight to there. So this is a job in LS16. It's going to be feather edge 1.8 high, standard 4 railings, 100 by 100 posts, just to protect against wind. These first 2 panels here are going to be getting taken out. The rest of it's concrete takeout. So this is 17 metres takedown concrete, 2 panels there, call that 6 metres, and then the rest is just going to get installed across the same line, around 6 metres of clearance, just bushes trimmed back at the end, and job will be good. It'll be feather edge all the way throughout. Morning, just at Cavendish, just finishing up today. So they'll be done here today. It's going to be going down to gate, getting all these panels in, just doing all infill bits and top walls now. All tricky bits to do. It's Friday, so let's hope we get it all done, otherwise we're going to have a few hours tomorrow morning. I'll be coming in just to make sure everything goes right. Yeah, it's looking very nice. Hopefully this stops. So what we're happening is the kids are getting in through the night, and they're trying to burn down. Sorry, I can't film in there, there's all kids out. But yeah, they're trying to burn down like the wooden huts and get on the roof and stuff like that. So hopefully this is prevents them, makes it a bit harder for them to come in and get in and out. Obviously there is still some gates to go in, double leaf gates, but they'll be ready and going in next week. This gate down here is going to be done Monday, and then a couple of weeks later we'll be coming back to do the big double gate. Yeah, it's all looking good. Hopefully this stops all the kids from trying to get over here and ruin the school. Lads have just done this corner over here as well, so we'll go have a quick look at that. Like I said, fencing nowadays, it's a deterrent to make it very hard for people to get in. You know, if you really want to get in somewhere, you're going to get in. But the harder you make it, the less likely people are willing to take the risk, especially it's this high now. It's going to be a lot harder for them to get in and out. Oh, look at that, looking good. It's all the way down. So when we come back Monday, we'll be putting a gate in here, and we'll actually be taking this end post off here, and it'll be going 2.4 in the air around these pillars, back down, and then this post here will be taken out, and that'll be raised to a 2.4 high post as well. So you'll be talking a difference of up here. Coming down, gate post, gate nice and high, another post, and then attached onto the existing. So yeah, we'll get that all boxed off. After today, if we get done today and maybe Saturday, we're over in Cleckheaton again. An old job that we did, you'll probably remember it were a palisade job, some bolted posts. We're actually doing a factory over the road. They obviously seen the work that we did there, really liked it, and got us booked in for over there. So this is a big job as well. There's a lot of takedown to do, and reinstallation of 2.4 high mesh. So lads will just be coming back up, finishing these corners off today, and then the far corner down there as well. Yeah, I hope everybody has a good one. If you like what you see, don't forget, like and subscribe.
Afternoon, different week for me this week. As you can see, I'm at home, suffering. I even got a scab on my nose, and my wife took me out with kitchen cupboard last week. That's another tale. So yeah, I've just been at home after having my gallbladder out this week, working from home. Lads seem to be cracking on with Cavendish. Just spoke to Justin actually, it's more or less done. He just picked the gates up so they can go in Monday. So most of that will be finished Monday, apart from some bigger gates that they added on at a later stage, which we'll come back to do. So yeah, slowly getting better. Bit painful, but there you go. So yeah, shall leave it there. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and why not subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.